guys, welcome back to the Fingerlakes Whitetail project. Today is part 2 of turning this field into an absolute deer magnet. Like I said the other day, it was pretty ruddy in here, a lot of holes, little areas that we just didn't like. It was gonna make it not super usable. Yes, I know the deer don't mind, but we do. So we're gonna come in here today, we're gonna get this whole thing tilled up, and then the next 2 or 3 weeks, we'll get a box blind put up and we'll plant something here so that you guys can see the results. Stay tuned. All right, there you have it. The field is tilled. Looks a lot better than it did. Problem I had at a couple different spots was some of these old roots from the trees prior that I took out of here. I only got jammed up one time and it actually fixed fairly easily. But the field looks really good. That tiller is just like amazing. I mean, I know we don't need to have fields like this in order to plant, but to get it as close to leveled out as I could after this was essentially like a swamp. It was really like a big run through. It was just way overgrown when I first got it. To get it to even this point, I mean, it looked just like this. See all these? This is what the whole entire thing looked like. And now, nice pretty field. Get some drone footage and see what's next for this field, where that tower blind's gonna go. So stay tuned and find out. Whew, that was a lot of work, but the field is tilled. Part 2 officially done. I might come in here one more time and do a light pass over the top. Again, I told you I'm looking more for a smooth field at this point. I'm not so concerned about tearing up the soil at this time. So I want to come in here maybe one more time, but it's going to rain for the next week or so. So I wanted to get in here and get this done early. It went fairly well. What I'd tell you is always watch your equipment as you're working. Probably in the first 3 passes, I had a little hook come out holding in one of the side arms, and that could be a big issue, dropping the tiller halfway through. So always keep an eye on your stuff. Every couple passes, take a little break, just check out your equipment. But past that, the field is looking really good, and I'm excited to see what runs through it this fall. Thanks for watching.